friends, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I am Ishna and I welcome you to my channel. From the title you are aware that this is a skincare video, but we are going to look at a cheaper alternative for a specific favorite product of mine, which is Neutrogena's Hydro Boost, the water gel. I love this product, I swear by it, I rave about it like anything. I have done quite a lot of videos on this, but let's face it, it's expensive. So I'm always on the lookout for cheaper alternatives that actually work. So I have done a couple of reviews in the past as well. You can check those out. I can link those up right here. You can check out definitely if you want to. But I have another alternative today for which I have barely heard or seen a lot of YouTubers or bloggers talk about, and this is going to be this one, L'Oreal's Hydrofresh Genius Multi-Active Essence Cream. So is this good enough? Is this good enough to replace this? We'll talk about in details about this in the video. If you want to watch it, make sure you stick around till the end. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now, without rambling any further, let's dive into the video, shall we? So I have already done a comparison with the Pond's Blue Tub Water Gel or something, I forgot the name, but I've already done a review of that. I don't remember it because I don't like that product a lot. That's not a bad product, but definitely not for people who have acne prone skin. If you want to know it in detail and everything, I'll link it up right here. You can check that out. But today's focus is going to be Hydrofresh Genius, this variant, this multi-active essence product from L'Oreal. I seriously don't know why I haven't heard a lot of YouTubers or people talk about this product, because this is quite a good product and we will see everything in comparison to the other one. Okay, first talking about the packaging. The packaging is pretty much luxurious. This is the same bluish whitish combination that is there for Neutrogena's Water Boost. This is the packaging for Neutrogena and this is the Hydrofresh Genius's packaging. Trust me, from the packaging perspective, this is way better, I feel. It's a bulkier glass bottle. This is a lighter glass and plastic bottle. This time it's an acrylic bottle, I believe. This is not even a glass bottle. This used to be a glass one, but this is not a glass one that I have received in my some haul that I have shared before. So this is the glass packaging, and I always like glass bottles over plastic because they are more environment friendly. So when I open this tub, this is how the lid looks like. You have L'Oreal written right here. Sorry, L'Oreal written right here. You can check it. It's a good quality material that you get. And then you get a safety lid like the other one as well. And if you remove this, and this is how the product inside looks like. Now this is kind of a bit thicker in consistency. As I can tilt it, it is not exactly like the watery runny consistency that we have for Neutrogena's Hydro Boost. That literally feels like water. Even the Pond's one, because it almost, you tilt it and it tends to come out of the jar. This is not the case here. This is also quite a wobbly jelly-like consistency. So if I tilt it here and there, it moves, but it will not come out directly. So this is a thicker consistency when I compare it with that one. But I'll just take this much and I'll place it here. From the consistency, just look at it. It looks like water. Just the same thing. The difference is this is a bit thicker, richer, and that is more watery runny. But when I blend it in, this takes longer to blend as well compared to that one, because that is literally water in a tub. This is not that, but the effect that it gives is pretty similar. This takes maybe few seconds to blend in more because the consistency is slightly jelly based consistency instead of a water, and they are not even claiming that this is water type. This is said Hydrofresh Genius Multi-Active Essence Cream. They haven't said that this is gel also, although this is kind of a gel based consistency that I feel like. But this one has a beautiful fragrance. which is quite similar to, not exactly the same fragrance, I'm saying similar in the sense that this also has a sweet soft fragrance, and this one, the Hydra Essence one from L'Oreal, also has a sweet soft fragrance. So the fragrance part is same for both. The packaging, I tend to think L'Oreal's packaging slightly is better, at least the packaging for that I am holding right now. This one is not that great. The previous one with the steelish bluish kind of a lid, that was way better. That is why this appeals to me more from the look perspective. This is simple, flat, boring type of a packaging. This looks nicer, heavier, might be difficult to carry around, but I don't care because I put it in my organizer when I carry it, and my products are safe. So that is never a concern that I feel like. But I mentioned it nonetheless since you need to know about all the aspects. But the quality of the product, trust me, I can safely say I have been using this for quite some time now. This can replace this because the consistency is different. I know this is watery, this is jelly types, gel based, but the action that they have on the skin is exactly same. Your skin is moisturized, it's hydrated, you feel good, your skin feels fresh and happy. It didn't cause any breakouts in my skin. My skin is very prone to breakouts. Like the Pond's one breaks me out. Every time I apply it right now, it breaks me out. And that is why I stay away from it. I'm applying it on my body to finish it off because I cannot waste it. It's a money that I have put into, and of course it's a cheaper alternative for people who don't have acne prone skin. If you just have oily skin, that might be a good product for you. I have said that in my previous videos as well. I'm not negating that product. If that suits you, please go ahead and use it. That broke me out. So it is not suitable for sensitive skin. That is what something I can safely say for the Pond's one. On the other hand, this one suits everybody. Whether you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, regardless of that, you can use this without causing you breakouts. And I have found the same thing here as well. And why am I raving about this product now more, and I'm considering this to be a healthy alternative to that one? Because this is cheaper as well. The marked price for this product itself, this is a 50 ml product, and the marked price for this is rupees 599, which is 600. Now, considering this retails for something around, this is also 50 gram product that you are getting, and this retails for rupees 950. So even if you get discounts on this, you will get maximum reduced to 650, maybe 700, 650. This is the pricing of this, and on discount you can get it further less. I don't remember exactly what I got, but this was definitely lesser than this was definitely lesser than 500 after I got it on discount. So I seriously don't know why people don't talk about this product. This is a great product. I have used this, and I have been using this for the entire month of January and February. Now we are in February. So I started using this, from December, I guess. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly when I started using it. But for sure, January, the whole of January I used it. February I used it. I'm using it. I have never seen this break me out. If some other reason you see my face having some breakouts or some marks here and there, that is because of the Pond's BB cream that I am using. Today's makeup also I have done with that BB cream. I haven't used the foundation. I want to get rid of that BB cream because BBCC creams are not for my skin. I have just come to terms with it because no matter whichever brand I try, BBCC creams just break me out. Foundations are way better than that. They don't break me out at least. That is why if you see at all any breakouts on my skin, that is due to this BB cream, because every day when I am putting makeup for shooting these videos, I am using this BB cream because I want to use it up. But on the other hand, this has just made my skin feel good. I use it in combination with the Micro Essence Crystal, that huge name thing from L'Oreal. I forgot that big name of that product, but you understand what product I'm talking about, the Micro Essence from L'Oreal Paris. That after that I use this on my skin, and my skin feels happy, soft, plump, moisturized, and I just can't stop raving about this. This can be a great alternative to this, and at lower price as well. So I see only good aspects in this, and I am surprised why people have not talked about this a lot. But this is something I highly recommend for people who have oily and acne prone skin as well, because it didn't break me out, so I'm assuming and I'm expecting it will not break you out as well. So that is pretty much it for this video. We have come to the end of this. I hope this comparison and the review of the Hydra Fresh Genius Multi Essence Cream is useful for you. You found a cheaper alternative to the Neutrogena one. This is in no way saying Neutrogena's product is bad. I love that one. I will now just have an alternative in the market. If I don't want to spend $950, I can have an alternative available at $600, and on various discounts I might save some more money and get the product and make my skin happy as well. So that is the only purpose. I am a die-hard fan of this Neutrogena product. If you don't know that, please check my past videos. You will know I have been raving about this since a long time. And I hope this video was useful. You learned something new, and if you did, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts about this video. And if you have used this product, what did you think? How did it work on you? We can have a small chat there as well. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'll leave the details in the description box below, and it's available at the end of the video as well. And before you leave this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.